Arrow Revolution touchscreen lock combines a cylindrical lock set with modern touchscreen technology. It makes day-to-day access effortless. And with Revolution's voice-guided programming, updating access privileges has never been easier. Revolution is ideal for a wide variety of applications: management offices, patient record storage, storerooms, staff lounges. Anywhere that requires reliable, secure, controlled access is an ideal place for Revolution. As you know, Arrow is committed to providing dependable, durable, reliable security solutions. And Revolution is no exception. But how durable is Revolution? Let's find out. How about a little water pressure? In fact, how about 1750 psi? Okay, now I had a good idea that this was going to work because there's a weather-resistant seal all the way around it. It's moisture-resistant. Certified Grade 2 UL-listed product. This is a top-of-the-line technology that you're looking at right here. How about a little fire on it? Let's see what this takes. Now, this is something you would not do to your standard door lock. All right, now I gave it a little time to cool down, so let's see. Still very warm, but it still works. This thing is pretty amazing. It's got a UL listing for use on fire doors, and it comes with a 3-year warranty, not just on the mechanical parts, but on the electronics behind it as well. Okay, we've taken a pressure washer to this, and we've also put a blowtorch on it. And now it's time to see how much pressure it can actually withstand with a crowbar here. So here we go. Man. Wow. Now I just beat the heck out of this and it's still turned on. Hang on one second. Good gracious. Still working. Still locking and unlocking. We've taken a pressure washer to this. We've also hit it with a blowtorch. I've beaten it with a crowbar, and yet it still works. Now we're going to try a scratch-resistant test to see how it stands up against a grinder. Now that is just outstanding. We put this thing through a number of tests, and we're going to put it through one final test, and that is subjecting it to sub-freezing temperature. So let's see if this thing still works. Now that is absolutely amazing. It still locks and unlocks. What do you got to do to break this thing? Let's see. I didn't touch it. Let's see if it turns on. Well, sure enough, it does. Let's see if it still opens. That is amazing. It still opens and locks.